All right, now we are continuing from the last class. So we did the timeline. So note the following points after the timeline now. So note the following points. First point, you start by depositing $100 in the account. This is shown as an outflow. This is shown as an outflow. When was the timetable change slightly, right? Hello? T equals 0. Hello?
Yeah, sir.
When it changed, sir?
Eh?
When it changed?
Changed last week. I got my new timetable last week, and it said that I have a class from 8 to 10 and then from 11 to 1. So this class now move 1 hour down from 10 to 12, but to 11 to 1. Yeah? So going forward is 11 to 1.
What? 11 to 1?
Yes.
Oh, we have that timetable.
Oh, you have it? We never have it. You earn $100. Meaning you earn $5, which is $100 times 0.05, which I showed you before. Right? And that will be equal to $5, right, of interest during the period during the first year. So the amount at the end of year 1 T is $100 plus $5, all right, equal to $105. Second note, right? You earn $5 of interest during the first year, so that the amount of the amount of at the end of year 1 will be $100 plus 5, should equal to $105. All right. Third point now. You start the second year with $105. You start the second year with $105. Earn $5.25 on the no larger amount, and in the second year with $110.25. Your interest during year 2 was $5.25. Sorry, interest during year 2, which is $5.25, is higher than first year's interest. Now the first year's interest, which was $5, because you earned $5 times 0.05, right, is equal to $0.25, all right? On the first year's interest. Fourth point, this process continues and because the beginning balance because the beginning balance is higher, in each succeeding year, annual interest earned increases. So fifth point now, the total interest earned which is $27.60 is reflected final balance P equal 5 years, which is $127.63. So the total interest earned is $27.63 and is reflected in the final balance at time equal 5 years. So we'll go again. So note, you start by depositing $100 in the account, right? This is shown as an outflow and the timeline T equals 0. You earn $100, 100 times 0.05, you earn $5, right? 100 times 0.05 of interest. So you earn $5 of interest during the first year. So the amount at the end of year one, which would have been T equals 0, sorry, T equal 1, is $105, 100 plus 5, right? Next, no, you start the second year with what? 105. and you earn $5.25 on the new second on the no larger amount, and end the second year with $110.25. Your interest during year 2 was $5.25, which was $5.25. Your interest during year 2, which was $5.25, is higher than the first year's interest, which was $5, because you what? Earned $5 times what? 0.05, which is 25 cents interest on the first year's interest. This process continues, and because the beginning balance is higher in each succeeding year, the annual interest earned increases as well. Total interest earned would have been $27.62, is reflected in the final balance. So if you add up everything on the timeline, you will get if you add up all the interest earned on the timeline, you will end up with you end up with $27.63. All right. That is that for that. Now I'm going to show you something different, slightly different. All right. Now we have used a formula to calculate we have a particular some formulas to calculate the future value a while ago. But we can also use what we call now a table also. All right. So watch this now. By the way, did I show you the table last class or not? Did I show you or not? I don't think I showed you. Did I show you guys? Anybody, please? All right. I'm going to show you to use the table now. So we're going to calculate future value using financial tables. All right. So calculating future values using financial tables. All right, so we are using the same question, right? To help us, but notice something, please. Yes. All right, so the original formula was FV small n equal PV 1 plus I. That was and raised to the power of n, right? N mean what? Number of years. Good. So this now we're going to use this is an equation. All right. Now before I go any further, write this below here. So all right, never mind. So therefore, you'd have wrote FVN equal PV 1 plus I raised to the power of n up here. So please, so write n up at top. Yes, so good at the top. All right. Now this part, watch me now. This part itself can be changed into looking like this. Watch me now. So you have FVN equal PV. So you keep the present value same. However, this section will be changed. Watch this now. FVIF subscript I, comma N. So the I and the N are really subscripts. They fall below the F. All right. Now in this case, now I mean interest. N mean what? Number of years. Good. So you can use that or that. So this now is one. This now is when you're going to use financial tables. All right. All right. Cool. All right. Now the last term last term in the equation above defines the, watch me now, future value interest factor for I and N, which is FVIF I comma N. So this means what? Future value interest factor for I and N. All right. Good. Now I'm going to remember now that we are what? Using the financial tables to calculate. Good. All right. Now to use the financial table now to calculate using the $100 same way. So remember, you know, 100 is what? We have $100. So we have a present value of $100, PV equal $100, right? N equal 5 years, and I equal what? 5%, right? All right. So use these now to calculate this now. Therefore, so this is the example, right? Example using financial tables. So first thing you do is to write about the formula. It's PV equal PV. You have FVIF. You have I N, and that would be equal to, you have, sorry, should not be PV, no, should be FVN, sorry, FVN. Correct, man. Equal PV. What is this, man?
Sir.
Yes, sorry, but
When we say of PV, then of bracket, is supposed to be bracket FV1 or FVI. Because FVI means you have the capital I, and then you have FI.
no, man. It should be FVIF, right? Subscript I, comma, N.
So one a capital I, one a common I.
Yes. All right. Equal now. You are putting back your present value. Now to find the figure, which should go in here. So now if you go use the financial tables now, watch me now. I'm going to stop share for this screen. I'm going to share now a financial table, right? And show you how to use it. All right. All right, now this is the financial tables, right? Now you have different financial tables, good. You have what you call future value interest factor for $1 compounded at 1% at I% for N periods. You have present value interest factor for $1 discounted for at I% for N periods, and then you have future value interest factor for a $1 annuity, which you say it. However, we are focusing on this one, future value interest factors. Future value interest factor for $1 compounded. That's what we're looking at. See there? FVIF. Now, when you're using this now, what you do, first thing you do, pick up the percentage. In this case, it's 5%. Then pick up the what? Year and match them. Let's go. Now, so therefore, in this case, you would use this table. This is your future value interest factor. Future value interest factors of $1 compounded at I%. This is the FVIF table. All right. Please log in after the 10 minutes are up. So you have 5% now to 5 years, and that give you what? 1.276. You see that, right? See there? So you have 5%, good, to what? 5 years, and that will give you what? 1.76. Therefore, now you're going to place that 1.76 now to replace the FVIF. So you have, this is I, and this is what? N. So your figure will be what? 1.76. Good. Let's go back to the other screen. So so you're going to place that figure right there, one. Sure. Really? Come on. What is this? I don't understand this. One point. So draw a band. Oh, so what is it? What's that last one? Sure. By the way, everybody else is right. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sash, you have this by the way? You take a picture of this early? Sash?
Yes, sir.
You take a picture early?
Yeah.
All right. All right, I'm going to go erase this part and I'm going to continue from this section here. All right. So now I'm going to start so stop share again. Whiteboard. Share. Still not come up. Okay. Finally. I should have 1 point. So you replace the FVI with 1.276. All right. Good. Then now you'll be equal now to $126. So $127.26. All right. Good. So that's how you use a table. All right. And we'll upload the table to iSIMS along with some tables to iSIMS.
127.6.
Oh, crap. Sorry. Man.
So email, so I got upload table to email.
Yeah. My email too, yeah. So it'll be 1 point. Eh?
I say, because I'm just sitting there for email.
Exactly.
No.
I see.
All right. Just remember me to show me in peace and thanks, yeah? I want to know why Shash. No, remember. Why Shash could have her finger? Why, you. Shash. Shash.
Yes, sir.
You get no stitches?
The doctor said no want no stitches.
Okay, cool.
Is Sasha move like a bite? He get bite off like the brother there.
She allow me now?
All right, let's continue. Let me see now. All right. We're gonna go to something different now. We're going to something named present value now. Present value. So I'm going to erase this part now. Yeah, present value. So let me do folks. Yeah, so as I was saying, we'll look at present value now. Present value. So a while ago we looked at future value, and future value deals with compounding, but present value now deals with discounting. All right. Let me see. So from the future value example presented in the previous section, we saw that an initial amount of $100 invested at 5% per year would be worth $127.63 at the end of 5 years. All right. All right, I'm going to stop there for now. You take this and then we continue after you re-log in, all right? Because 1 minute is left. So please re-log in after the end of this minute, please, and thank you very much. Re-log in at the end of this minute, please.